Welcome to our third lecture of this lecture series. In this lecture, we'll have a comparison of present continuous tense and present simple tense. First of all, the present continuous tense is used to talk about things happening at or around the time of speaking. The action isn't complete. For example, let's go out, it isn't raining now, or I'm busy, what are you doing? While a present simple tense is used to talk about things in general or things that happen repeatedly. Examples of present simple tense can be: it doesn't rain very much in summer. What do you do usually at the weekends? In present simple tense, we are talking about things generally. Secondly, a present continuous tense can be used for temporary situations or the situations which are for shorter period of time. For example, I'm living with some friends until I find a place of my own. Or, you're working hard today. B, yes, I have a lot to do. While a present simple tense can be used for permanent situations, as we can see in this example, my parents live in London. They have lived there for their lives. Or, John isn't lazy, he works hard most of the time. In both these examples, we can see that the situation is permanent. Moreover, a present continuous tense can also be used for actions and happenings that have started but not finished till the time we are speaking. For example, it's raining. While various verbs like, love, hate, want, need, fit, know, seem, mean, prefer, understand, suppose, remember, belong, believe, realize, consist, and fit cannot be used in a present continuous tense. For these verbs, we use a present simple tense. For example, I'm hungry, I want something to eat, but we cannot say that I'm hungry, I'm wanting something to eat. Similarly, we can ask someone, do you understand what I mean? But we cannot ask, do you understand what I am meaning? For the verb think, there are two conditions. When think means to believe or to have an opinion, we use a present simple tense and not a present continuous tense. For example, I think Mary is Canadian, but I'm not sure. We cannot say that I am thinking Mary is Canadian. Similarly, we can ask someone, what do you think about my plan? We have used a present simple tense in this example because we are asking for an opinion. On the other hand, when the verb thinks mean to consider something, we use a present continuous tense like, I'm thinking about what happened. I often think about it. Similarly, Nikki is thinking of giving her job up. She is considering it. Similarly, a present simple tense can be used when we talk about verbs that indicate any sense like see, hear, smell, and taste. For these verbs, we use a present simple tense and not a present continuous tense. For example, we can ask someone, do you see that man over there? But we cannot ask, are you seeing that man over there? Similarly, we can say, this room smells, let's open a window. So we have used a present indefinite tense here. In some conditions, we can also use can before the verb that indicates a sense. For example, I can hear a strange noise. Can you hear it? There are certain verbs which can be used in both present simple and present continuous tense. For example, both present simple and a present continuous tense can be used to say how somebody looks or feels now. For example, we can say you look well today, and we can also say you are looking well today. Similarly, how do you feel now or how are you feeling now? Both these sentences will be correct. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.